template by just referring the trailhead, which is quite self-explanatory and easy to follow. So here's the new prompt template, which consists of two new paragraphs, as you can see. And for the testing, we have to use the case number. Let's take the same one. Yeah, this one. Now click on the preview. Awesome, we are getting the results. So to use this template we have to activate this, but as you can see I already did, so we can directly use it for any case. So now redirect to the sales app, and then cases, then we can choose any case. Let's take the last one. But now before moving ahead we have to specify which field is using the prompt template. Although I already did this, as you can see this star symbol indicate the same thing, but just for the reference let me show you. From the setup we have to edit the page. Now in the lightning amp builder we have to select that particular field. Okay, as I said I already did, so that's why it is showing. So we have to click here, quick summary, and the same we have to select here. Then we have to just save it. Okay, cool. Now back to the record. So as the star symbol is indicating the same, now just edit this, get the suggestions, and let's wait. Okay, here's the output, which consists of two paragraph as we give the instruction earlier. So directly use it and then save it. Simple.